Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am very delighted to meet you again. Today, I am going to focus on English first paper, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Unit 1, Lesson 1. Our passage is from Mr. Bhutto, the Bengali people. From Mr. Bhutto to the Bengali people. In today's class, we are going to discuss choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. What does the word A mean? Before choosing the MCQ format, first of all, you have to read out the passage with meaning. You have to read out the whole passage with meaning. Then you need to choose the correct answer from the alternatives. The passage here from Mr. Bhutto to the Bengali people. Here will be passage. Unit 1, lesson from Unit 1, lesson 1. You know that you will have 5 marks from MCQ type of question. Now I am going to discuss or conduct the class especially on choosing the correct MCQ. Actually, it depends on the reading of the passage. So the first one is given, what does the word aim mean? What does the word aim mean? Here is given A, B, C, D. So what will be the answer? Target. A temporary lodging for truth. A temporary lodging for truth. Temporary lodging means residence. Troop means army. So the sentence will be a temporary residence for army. The number C, main. D, a transient habitat for troop. Troop means army. So what will be the correct answer? Dear students, you need to know that our root word is aim. So what will be the synonymous word or synonym word aim? So the nearest meaning similar to the word, I think, target. Aim or target. Answer will be target. In such a way, you have to find it out or choose the best answer from the alternatives. You know better that the second one is given, what is meant by slaughterhouse. The root word is given or mentioned, slaughterhouse. So what will be synonym of slaughterhouse, or what is related to the root words? Just according to the meaning of the words, you need to match with other sentences mentioned in the board. Number A, house or place where massacre occurs. A house or place where massacre occurs. Number B, a place where people are honored. A place where people are honored. I think it is not matched with the root word. Number C, a location where people are adored. A location, that means a location where people are adored. I think it is also not matched with the root word. Number D, a building where criminals stay. A building where criminals stay. I think this sentence also irrelevant to the meaning of the root word. So what will be the answer? The answer will be a house or place where massacre occurs. That is called slaughterhouse. Slaughterhouse means a house or place where massacre occurs. I think it would be answer the first, that means number A would be the correct answer. The number 3, the word proceedings could be replaced by the word proceedings. So you need to know first of all the root word given or mentioned in the word proceedings. Just the synonym words of proceedings need to choose from the alternative options. Number A, the official written records of a meeting, society, etc. Official written records of a meeting or society, etc. B, having fun. Having fun. I think having fun is not matched with the root words. Advancing is not similar word to the proceedings, root words. Darkness is also irrelevant words just according to the meaning of the root words. It's not matched with the proceedings. So the correct answer will be the official written records of a meeting or society. Official proceedings means official written records of a meeting. It may be meeting or a society. What does show up mean? In this sentence, show up is a root word. Now you need to choose the correct option from the alternatives. Number A, shown out. Shown out, similar word expressed. It's not related to show up. Number B, show down. Show down. Number C, to make somebody look attractive. Show down, show up. So what will be the correct answer? To make somebody look attractive is not matched with the words. So what will be the answer? Just try to think and just actually MCQ type of questions. It may be MCQ types of questions or answering questions. All things related to the meaning of the passage. You need to find it out the root words from the passage with meaning, then try to use it. I think here I need to mention number 4, MCQ type of question. Number 4, that means A, B, C, D. Number D is missed here. To arrive. To arrive, especially to arrive the place where someone where someone is waiting. Where someone is waiting for the other. Number D is missed here. So number D, to arrive the place where someone is waiting for the other. So I think the correct answer will be to arrive the place where someone is waiting for the other. Where someone is waiting for the other. What does show up mean? Show up means to arrive the place where someone is waiting for the other. The next one is number 5. Who emphasized highly on negotiation? Highly on negotiation. Negotiation. Who emphasized highly on negotiation? After reading out the phrases, dear students, after reading out the phrases, I think it would be easy for you to choose MCQ type of question from the alternative options. Who emphasized highly on negotiation? If you read out the phrases clearly, I think it would be easy for you to choose MCQ question easily from the alternative options. Option A is given: A. Mr. Bhutto, B. Yahya Khan, C. Assembly, D. All the assembly members. So what will be the answer? Correct answer, I think Mr. Bhutto. Mr. Bhutto emphasized highly on negotiation, because we know that by reading the passage we can gauge or understand that Mr. Bhutto offered highly on negotiation. Dear students, number 6, what did Bangabandhu talk about other leaders? What did Bangabandhu talk about other leaders? So what will be the correct answer from the alternative options? The alternatives: handing over the administration. I think handing over the administration is not matched with the root word or the question, matched with the question. Creating constitutions. Number C, carrying out discussions. Carrying out discussion, Bangabandhu didn't talk about carrying out discussions. So I think it's not correct. Boycotting the assembly. Bangabandhu did not talk about boycotting the assembly. It is not correct. Also correct. So the correct one will be creating constitutions. Actually, Bangabandhu talked about creating a constitutions. It will be the correct answer. If you read out the phrases deeply or critically and carefully, you will decide to choose the correct answer, creating a constitutions. So the correct answer will be creating a constitutions. By whom were the assembly members threatened to be killed? By whom were the assembly members threatened to be killed? What will be answer? Bangabandhu, Mr. Bhutto, Yahya Khan, none of them. Bangabandhu, I think it's totally irrelevant. Mr. Bhutto, Yahya Khan is not correct answer, none of them. It's also discarded or given off, irrelevant to the question. So the correct answer will be Mr. Bhutto. Actually, Mr. Bhutto threatened the people to be killed. In such a way, dear students, you can study in such a way. First of all, you have to accentuate, you have to emphasize on the passage. Just you have to read out the phrases with meaning. then I think you will be able to answer properly. It may be MCQ type of question or answering question, whatever. You will be able to choose MCQ question or to answer properly in the script, no doubt, I think. Thank you all. Thank you very much.